Hey guys, welcome back to CuteTube. My name is Glitter Girl, and today we are going to be making homemade masks. But before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button. It's right here. And give us a big thumbs up. It's right here. And turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So what you will need is any old fabric. It could be a scarf, it can be an old shirt, it can be just a piece of fabric that you buy at the store, whatever you have. I just have this older shirt. And yeah. And you're gonna want it in a rectangle shape, and obviously it's not a rectangle shape, so I'm just gonna put this on fast mode. And when I cut this, but you'll also need 2 elastic bands. Yeah, I'm using these guys. They don't have to be matching. And you'll also need scissors. And I forgot to get scissors, so let's go get scissors. Well, you only need scissors if you're cutting your fabric, but if you're not, then you don't need to. So I'm going to turn on to fast mode for the first step. If you don't have it already cut and ready, then cut it. So fast mode on. Okay, guys, I'm going to get some bigger scissors, so I'll be right back. Okay, I got some bigger scissors, so now I'm going to do this. And another thing you can do is, if your fabric is, if your fabric is thin enough, you can tear your fabric. I got a little bit teared, but we still need to do some with some of these scissors. So, fast mode, editor, turn on fast mode. The editor is me, and I'm telling myself to turn on fast mode. Okay guys, so you see I have my rectangle here. It's okay, this curve won't really make a difference. Normally I would cut it off, but I was having some trouble cutting this part down. I don't know why, so I'm just going to keep it like this. So I decided to keep my symbols, but just so you know, if you have a picture that you want to be on the front, you'll see, but like I'm only going to see the 3 middle symbols in mine. I'm only going to see these 3. You'll see how. Okay, I'm going to put this down a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, so what you want to do is put it front side down and fold into the middle so that they meet like this. And then the next step is literally to just get those 2 elastics, stick one on one side just like that, and then one on the other side. So it looks something like this. And then what you're going to do is fold these ends into the middle, because you can see there's like a hole in there from the 2 folding together. So just put it, kind of stick it in there. As the neater you do it, the better this mask will look and how the better it'll turn out. So just make it as neat as possible. I'm trying to make it flat. So you can see I'm just sticking it inside. And this is, make sure that the elastics are like the size of your face. So like here to here, that's the size of my face. Or if here to here is the size of your face, then you would put elastic. And you don't want to put the when you are putting you just put the fabric over the elastic when you're sticking it in the hole. So what you're going to do is, do that on both sides. Make sure you do that, not on one side. And you can see, you know how I said there would only be I would only see those 3 symbols? Well, you can see, you only see those 2 symbols, and that's because you're folding a bunch. So yeah, you want to make sure though that you actually do tuck them in, because the problem is if you don't tuck them in, it can be a very floppy mask. And then you just want to tuck it. And what you can do is you can fasten them with any way, but you can literally just keep it like this. Like, you don't have to, like, staple them or anything. Like, just keep it like this, and then, then I need to move my hair that way. And then just, sorry guys, I am bad at putting on masks. Well, you can see it looks good, and you can put these on. Just literally, I can't. Okay, 1 second. Pause until I get this on. So this is on, and it looks so. Sorry, I cannot talk in that. You guys won't hear me. This audio will be terrible if I have a mask on the whole time and talk. You can see this is a really great mask, and this is like so good. And since they're running out in the stores. And we're in quarantine, but if any of your mom and dad or anybody going to the grocery store to buy us food and all that stuff, then you'll need a mask. So this is a perfect way to do so. It's definitely, it's not a professional mask or anything, but it's a mask. If you want to, I guess you can fold these, the ones that are folded over top of the ones that are inside. You could staple them together, but that's totally not needed. Like, mine are totally fine. You can see this is the inside and this is the outside, which is really cute, and it works super good. So let me show you that you can do it with glasses. I'm just having some trouble. So you can see this actually looks really good. And it definitely does work. You can put it around your nose, and it works super good. So, pretty much, if you don't know how to get it on, elastics, ears, done. So that's how you can make a super cute mask. But if you want this to last more than one trip and you don't want it to start to fall apart, then I would somehow staple those together. But you definitely don't have to. Like, I'll show you guys what I mean by that. I don't know if this stapler even works. I think it does. If you want, this is totally optional. This is supposed to be non-sew, non-staple, non-everything, which it is. But if you want, you can just staple them together. That way, it won't fall apart, but I'm not even going to keep that. I'm just going to show you guys. So, you guys understand. Thank you for watching. A quick recap of what you have to do. Get your rectangle of fabric. Then you're going to fold the 2 sides into the middle. Add the elastics around on each side, the size of your face. Then you're going to fold them in, put them in the pocket that you made in the middle. And pretty much that's it. And put it on. If you want it to last longer, you add the staple. I'm just going to take the staple out because I don't need it. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you figure out what to do with your mask problem. If you don't have any masks, well, this is the best way to get them. Whee! So, okay, guys. I just can't get this on. But thank you guys for watching. Bye. My name's Glitter Girl. I try to post daily. Thanks for watching. Bye.